Now in this video, we will learn how to draw 120 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree and 15 degree. Now for 120 degree, draw a line segment AB with AS center and any radius, draw an arc. Mark point C where arc intersects line AB. With CS center and same radius, draw an arc to intersect the previous arc at point D. With DS center and same radius, draw another arc which intersects the first arc at some point, say E. Draw a line segment AF passing through point E. Angle FAB equals 120 degree. By construction, we can see that AC equals CD and equal DA. So ACD is an equilateral triangle, and as you know, all angles of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. So DAC is 60 degree. DAC, this angle is 60 degree. Similarly, we see angle EAD is an equilateral triangle. EA equal AD and DE, and also all angles, here also all angles are 60 degree. So this is 60 degree EAD. So EAD is 60 degree, EAD is 60 degree and DAC is 60 degree. So 60 degree plus 60 degree, 120 degree. So EAC is 120 degree, or you can say FAB is 120 degree. Now to construct an angle of 60 degree, take a line segment. AB of any suitable length. With AS center and any radius, draw an arc which intersects line AB at C. With CS center and same radius, draw another arc which intersects the previous arc at D. Draw the line segment AE passing through D. Angle EAB equals 60 degree. Here we can see by construction ACD is an equilateral triangle. AC equals CD equal AD. So all angles of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. So DAC is 60 degree, or you can say EAB is 60 degree. Construction of 30 degree angle. For this, we have to draw 60 degree angle as before and bisect it. Take a line segment AB of any suitable length with center A and any radius. Draw an arc which intersects the line AB at point C. With center C and same radius, draw another arc which intersects the previous arc at point D. Now draw the line segment AE passing through D. Angle EAB equals 60 degree. Now we have to bisect angle EAB. Or we can say we have to bisect the arc CD. For this, take center C and any convenient radius draw an arc. With DS center and same radius, draw another arc which intersects the previous arc at some point, say F. Now draw the line AG passing through F. Angle GAB is 30 degree, or you can say angle FAB is 30 degree. In this construction, join FD and FC. Now see the triangles AFD and AFC. Now AD side of AFD triangle is equal to AC side of AFC triangle because they are radius of the same arc, this arc, blue arc, and center A. They are the radius of the same arc. Also, DF side and FC side both are equal. They are arcs of equal radius, arcs of equal radii. And see, AF is common in both the triangles. So this triangle and this triangle, triangle AFD and triangle AFC are congruent. They are congruent. And DAF, so DAF, this angle and this angle are equal because they are congruent parts of corresponding triangles. Now see DAC angle equals DAF and FSC, DAF and FSC. You can write DAC equal 2 times FSC because this angle and this angle equal. DAC equal 2 times FSC. Rather you can say FSC equal half of DAC. So FSC is half of DAC, that is half of 60 degree, that is FSC is 30 degree, or you can say GAC or GAB is 30 degree. Now we are going to learn how to construct an angle of 15 degree. For this, first of all we have to draw an angle of 60 degree, then bisect it to get 30 degree, then again bisect it to get 15 degree angle. Now take any line segment AB. With A as center and any radius, draw an arc which intersect AB at point C. With C as center and same radius, draw an arc to intersect the previous arc at D. Join AD. Angle EAB equals 60 degree. Now we have to bisect angle EAB to get 30 degree angle. For this we have to bisect the arc CD. With C as center and some convenient radius, draw an arc. With D as center and same radius, draw an arc to intersect the previous arc at point F. Join AF. Angle GAB equals 30 degree or angle FAB equals 30 degree. Now for 15 degree we have to bisect angle GAB, or we can say we bisect arc CH. With C as center and any radius, draw an arc. With H as center and same radius, draw another arc to intersect the previous arc. At point I, join AI. Now angle JAB is 15 degree, or we can say angle IAB is 15 degree. Now in this construction, join HI and join CI. Now we have to see in this triangle HAI and CAI. AH and AAC both are equal. They are radii of the same arc. HI and CI both are equal because they are arcs of equal radii. Arcs of equal radii. And AI is common. So AIH, or rather you can say HAI, is congruent to CAI. So this angle HAI equal IAC, both are equal because they are corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Also HAC equals HAI plus IAC. HAI plus IAC. We can write HAC equal 2 times IAC. 2 times IAC because HAI and IAC both are equal. So IAC we can write 2 times. So this angle becomes 2 times this angle. Or we can say IAC is half of HAC. IAC is half of HAC, that is half of 30 degree. This is 30 degree. So IAC is half of 30 degrees, that is 15 degree. So IAC is 15 degree.